Hi everyone, this is Mike Makers for makersgeneration.net. We keep working on the tutorials for coding. Where we have started, and for those of you who didn't know what we did last time, it was about it was an introduction on Scratch. So Scratch, as I was explaining, is an online platform. It's free, allows your kids to learn coding. So you go to your browser, make sure you have internet, a computer, and access to internet. So you go to Scratch. From there, you click on Scratch. You click on that one, the first one. And when you arrive on the page here, you click on Start Creating. So you're right there. It take a couple of seconds, so you have the environment for the coding here. So so you arrive there. So you have the mascot here. Something that is nice, so you can change the mascot if you don't like it. So the kids, they can have you really like to have fun with that. So you can what you can do, you can click on that, choose the sprite, and it brings you here. So you have all different types of sprites here or characters. You can call it however you want, and it goes from there. So you can see that we have a different character here, and we have the cat here. So if you don't like the cat, you can click here. You can click on the trash, and you can keep adding more characters. You got animals. So the kid usually you like the cat, the dogs, and you got indies, people dancing, music, and so you really can choose the topic that you like. The kids can do that. And okay, what do we have? People. So you see people dancing. Let's click on that. So you have the people dancing here. So that's a way to choose your character. So as I say, you can remove the character as you want. Also, you can change the side of it. So it's 100% now. You can choose 70%. You can change the direction or how it is. So or you can decide also to hide it as ever you want, and also remove it. And as you can see, also you have the coordinates. So depending when you move it. But we see all of that more in detail for another time. So thank you for tuning in. That's all for today. See you soon.